Hello everyone, welcome back to Welding Vlog Part 8. Today, didn't do a huge amount actually, because we're coming to the end of the welding, all the different pieces. So I did a T-piece, if you remember from previously, which is actually what the phone is resting on. And you may notice an improvement in quality as well. So it's a different handset. Still not used as a phone though. It's just used really as a camera. So I did about 10 pieces using 20 pieces of metal. And again, it's a T-piece, but this was done with a difference. If you have, like when I first started showing you the angled piece, was just a V. We had a chunkier piece of metal like that. So same principle as that original T-piece. You tack either end and then weld along there. This was the second best weld that I did. I'm sorry about this light shining from this light again. There you see some slight imperfections, but this is the best that, oh yeah, it's not going to do it, is it? Oh, there we go, look at that. It's not perfect, and this piece of steel here is slightly bowed, so it may seem to you that it's slightly arced, and it is. Yeah, this is the second best piece that I did, but we had to do it at an angle, so like we had a piece holding it like that. So you weld in that gap, okay, from down like that. Yeah, hang on, down like that, slightly at an angle and go along like that, so you can see the puddle, as explained before. So I did 10 of them, so it's 20 pieces of metal, and what wasn't accepted and what was left all went in the scrap pile to be recycled and reused. So other than that, I got myself an application form for level 2 welding MIG. While I was going to get my lunch, there was a couple of us went to go and get our lunch, 3 or 4 of us went, and on the way back after picking up our food, that we were talking about different types of welding, say TIG, so I don't know whether I should do TIG or not. If I'm going to go for level 2 in MIG, should I do level 1 in MIG? I mean, what do you think? Let me know in the comments. Should I do TIG? I don't know what it will possibly have or hold for me, as I'm going to be welding auto mostly, or bodywork, panel, welding in panels and things and doing repairs. So I don't know whether that will suit my needs. So yeah, just a quick video today. So next week I will be redoing some of the ones I've already done. So the lap weld will be redoing to try and improve on that, and the welding 3 lines on the sheet of metal. So yeah, when I first started those, they were very, very wobbly. So I actually really enjoyed doing that, and I really enjoyed doing this tonight. But when I get to a certain point and I've used lots of material, I don't like to continue, because I don't like to be wasteful. Maybe it's just the way my brain works. I don't like to waste material, because that material then has to be chopped up, melted down and remade into new steel. So yeah, it's just the way I think, Anyway, that is my little weld, and I'm very happy with that. I really am. Even though it's not a full-size piece, because we were running low, so we had to just grab what we could. But yeah, unfortunately, I did go through on that side. Look, remember me saying before about metal can get through if there's a gap, and yeah, there's a gap. So, but actually no, I'm wrong. I melted through. one of them I melted right through. I will add a little video and some photos at the end of this video for you. So thanks for watching. Look forward to next week, and hopefully I can get some other material out as well. If I can, I'll do my best. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for the new subscribers. Very kind of you. Much appreciated as always. So see you next week.